Let's explore how 3 types of ice will transform the way you cool down your favorite drinks. Starbucks is making some exciting changes. Not the one where they will charge you a light ice fee. No, they are replacing their large cubes with smaller Nugget ice, and customers are excited about this change. So Nugget ice is also known as Sonic ice or by many other different names. It is small, soft and chewable type of ice. It has a unique shape and it is commonly found in fast food restaurants, convenience stores and even healthcare facilities. Oh, and the Nugget ice wrapped in a towel is also a great way to use it for injury rehabilitation. It is best used to blend in frozen drinks, smoothies and sodas. So it's produced using specialized ice machines that compress ice flakes into small chewable pellets. The machines typically have mechanism to break up the forming ice into nugget-shaped pieces. Then it's stored in a bin or dispenser until it's ready to be used. This is of course the general explanation. I don't even know if this particular machine uses the same mechanism. But since your budget is limited, you can make it at home and freeze carbonated water in an ice tray. Then place the tray in the freezer for at least 6 hours. When it's ready, crush the cubes. It's not the same, but it's light and chewable. So if you're going to try this method, get those cheap nugget-shaped molds. And crushed ice is a versatile type of ice that is made by crushing or breaking larger pieces of ice into smaller, irregularly shaped pieces. There are multiple ways to make it. Use a blender. This is probably the most common way to make crushed ice. Simply grind small cubes in the powerful blender. My favorite way is to use a manual ice crusher. It takes a little longer, but ice is bigger, very consistent and stored in a plastic bin. Plus, this thing costs like $15. You can use a rolling pin or a mallet. This is the more labor-intensive method, but it's effective. Place ice cube in a towel or bag and then use a rolling pin to crush them. Crushed ice typically used in tropical cocktails, juleps, daiquiris, smoothies and slushy drinks. It adds great texture to the cocktail, making it extra refreshing and dilutes faster, so the spirits are less strong. Also, you can use it for creating cool presentations. I wanted to make 2 slushy drinks and compare the difference between crushed and Nugget ice. So, it blended with the same speed and there is no difference in texture. Nugget ice is softer and less dense, so it is still the preferred ice to use for blended drinks for less damage of your blender's knives. If you are debating what ice to use in the summer drinks such as mojitos, there is also a little difference in appearance. Nugget ice will melt slower, but since it's light and airy, it floats at the top of your drink. It's especially more noticeable when you use this ice with carbonated drinks. And since you asked about flake or shaved ice, it is soft, moldable form of ice. It has more of a snow-like texture. It is light and fluffy, melts fast, so it's ideal for absorbing heat due to its large surface area. You also can make it in a powerful blender or the ice shaver machine. Shaved ice since it melts too fast. But the most famous creation is the Japanese dessert kakigori. Each type of ice has unique qualities that can enhance your drinking experience. Let me know which is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this episode about why there is so much ice in your drink or how to make the iconic Japanese kakigori. And let's chill out together soon.